Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Tuesday, the 2nd of June. I'm James Spann. Moisture levels increasing, tropical action in the Gulf. A lot of things to talk about, many questions to answer. So let's see if we can answer all of them. Let's dive in. Here's the upper air look this afternoon. We've got ridging all across the southern states. The main jet stream is up near the Canadian border. Very typical June look. A field of cumulus clouds across the state. That's the visible satellite view. But most of Alabama dry. That was the radar at 226. We had a few scattered storms roughly along Interstate 10 in extreme South Alabama and the Florida Panhandle. Temperatures are in the 80s. And by the way, that number at Jasper is not a valid observation. They're not in the 90s. Everybody in the 80s. We got 86 in Birmingham and Anniston, Tuscaloosa 88. Highs will stay most likely in the mid to upper 80s each day through the weekend. There's the watch warning map around the nation. Pretty quiet so far. An excessive heat warning for parts of the southwest. Severe storms will likely break out, though, in coming hours well to the north of here through parts of Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan. We have an enhanced risk of severe weather there. Tomorrow, a chance of severe storms from the Great Plains over to the Jersey Shore. And on day 3, which is Thursday, we have a risk of severe storms again from the Corn Belt over to the Middle Atlantic coast region north of where we are. Here's the rain for the next 7 days, and of course, the amount we see on the Gulf is all dependent on the tropical system, so this will probably change, but we're expecting increasing rain opportunities on the Gulf Coast in coming days as the Alabama and the Florida Panhandle coast will likely be on that wet east side of our system in the Gulf. And speaking of the system, this is now Tropical Storm Cristobal. The top wind's 40 miles per hour, minimal tropical storm. And this will probably sit there and spin its wheels through really Thursday, not moving much in the Bay of Campeche. Then it kicks out. This is the latest track from the Hurricane Center. By Sunday morning, they have this as a tropical storm south of Morgan City, Louisiana, moving north. First off, this is the intensity guidance, and you can see most all models keep this as a tropical storm through 5 days. And again, this might reach minimal hurricane strength by the time of landfall. Typically for the early season systems, the main issue, it's rain and flooding. So this is some guidance. First off, this is the Gfs Ensemble, and most of the members bring it up into the Louisiana coast. This is tropical guidance. And again, most of the members bring it into Louisiana. You got a few outliers to the east and west, but at the moment it seems like the highest landfall probabilities are clustered on the Louisiana coast Sunday night or Monday. And again, remember, the big rains will be along and east of where this thing comes in. And a lot of beach questions. We'll talk about that as we go. Let's look at the GFS. This is the 12Z run ballot tomorrow at 4. Again, a flat ridge here. Westerlies to the north, moisture increasing. Tomorrow we'll expect a mixture of clouds and sunshine with a chance of scattered showers and storms statewide. Highs mid-80s in most spots. This is Thursday and this is Friday. On both of these days, partly sunny, warm, muggy. A chance of scattered showers and storms. Most of them, not necessarily all, will come during the afternoon and evening hours. Highs, again, mid to upper 80s on those days. This is Saturday as the weekend begins, and again, warm, muggy, partly sunny, a few scattered showers and storms, and here comes the tropical system. Cristobal is in the Gulf, again south of the mouth of the Mississippi, and then by Sunday at midday, this is 4 o'clock Sunday afternoon, the GFS brings it into Louisiana south of New Orleans. This is the European Sunday at 4. It's got it a little farther west, closer to Morgan City. But one way or the other, the impact will be the same for the Alabama and the Northwest Florida Gulf Coast. So if you got a beach trip this weekend, Sunday looks pretty wet. I don't think there's any dangerous wind. It'll be breezy. The big issues will be rip currents in the Gulf and rain at times that could be heavy and maybe some flooding issues. Will it rain all day Sunday? No, I don't think it will, but it looks pretty wet, cloudy, breezy. Rain at times, possibly heavy. That's going to be your wettest day. Then we go to Monday. The system is inland over Louisiana and weakening. And again, for the Gulf Coast on Monday, you'll have occasional showers, but it's not going to rain all day. This is the European. It's very similar. It's got it just to the southeast of Shreveport on Monday. So again, people go to the beach for different reasons. If it was me, I would not hesitate to go to Gulf Shores, Destin, Pensacola, Panama City for the weekend or early next week. Just be aware that Sunday night, Monday looks pretty wet, but it's not going to rain the entire time, and you might see a glimpse of the sun. And this is a week from today, Tuesday the 9th. Upper high in the east, troughing in the west, and the remnant circulation of Cristobal is moving up into Arkansas, Missouri. And again, we'll have scattered showers and storms about on Tuesday, but again, not a total washout. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday the 12th. Again, westerlies a little north of here, and that looks pretty routine. Scattered, hit and miss showers and storms. That's part of the summer forecast here just about every day. Here's the rain for Birmingham off the Gfs Ensemble. Members range from 1/2 inch to over 5 inches. The mean is a little over 2 inches. Temperatures mostly mid to upper 80s during the day, lows around 70. And the new CPC outlook. This is for June 10th through June 16th, showing temperatures here very close to average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.